Have you ever wondered how a microwave oven heats your food so quickly? Imagine tiny invisible waves called microwaves bouncing around inside the oven. These waves are a type of energy that specifically targets water molecules in your food. When microwaves hit the water molecules, they make them start to vibrate very fast. This rapid movement creates heat, which then spreads to the rest of the food, warming it up from the inside out. That's why microwaves can heat things so evenly and quickly. It's like a dance party for water molecules, and heat is the end result.